Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to convert a PDF file to a Word document for free using a popular online tool called SmallPDF. First step is go to the SmallPDF website, which is smallpdf.com. I'm searching SmallPDF on Google. Open this first link, smallpdf.com. Also, you can find the link in the description below. Once you are on the SmallPDF website, click on the PDF to Word button. This will take you to the conversion page. Now you can either drag and drop your PDF file into the upload box or click on the select a file button to browse for your file on your computer. Here I am selecting this file. Once your file is uploaded, SmallPDF will automatically convert it to a Word document. You will see a progress bar as the conversion takes place. Now just select this without OCR because it's free. When the conversion is completed, you will be prompted to download the Word document. Click on download. That's it. You have successfully converted a PDF to a Word document for free using a SmallPDF. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this one.